Good morning. Welcome back. Welcome back to our channel. Hey, she a little sleepy. She was out turned up until 3 o'clock in the morning last night, but she still was able to get up and go to Pilates at 8 a.m. So we're let that bus go past. So we are headed to Pilates today. They are in a new location. I don't know what it's called, but it's by the water fountain. And yeah, we're about to get our morning moves in. Oh, it's called Wrigley something. Oh, okay. I didn't even realize that it was actually a grass area over here. How the heck you get up in here? Yeah, so we are, y'all know I got my glasses on, going over there today by this fountain. And it's smaller, but the people are still here. No, somebody else. Police drones. Police drones! All right, so this is what it's looking like right now. We got like 10 more minutes until 8, but we're about to go to the front of the class because we don't do no back. Well, we can get right in that middle center. What you want to do? This is what happened when you party at night. It's called balance. Party at night, Pilates in the morning. PP. PP.
Styles Endowment, managed by the Millennium Park Foundation. Don't forget no cardio kickboxing and Zumba. Come on up and round over the legs. So like I said, if you need to, hold on to your legs, hands out in front of you, and climb and grow tall when you get here. And down, and bend the knee. Bounce your heel on your bottom again. Extend that leg back up and come around and left and come around. Cross and cross. Yeah, loosen up the hip joint. Get that into your hands as you come up to sitting. All the way up. Sit up tall. Over your left shoulder, stretch the neck. To me, stretch the neck. And tall. Exhale, hollow the belly. Round the back. Open the arms to the side. We're going to twist to the right. Reach for your foot and bring the back arm high behind you. And again, turn the body. Big exhale. And come to the setup. And we're going to twist to the right and pulse here. 3, 2, 1. In. All the way back there. Roll those fingers back with you if you need to. So you're going to rest more time. Inhale up. And exhale down. Okay. Come on up. Down. Look at get a prize if you kick your ear. 2 more. Yeah, don't be scared if you fall. You don't have far to and blessing. And 1. And back. And try not to kick the feet out. So really you're trying to pull this small. Hold on to your toes and lift your chin and chest. Round over the legs. Let your heads drop. Back. Come back up. Clap, clap, clap. Take your arms down. And last breath, inhale up.
Pilates is done. It's 8:47. When I say that was intense.
I enjoyed her, though.
I enjoyed her too. Yeah,
it felt very, for those that don't know, I'm getting through a fractured vertebrae. So this Pilates series of exercise really helped with my spine.
Yeah, she definitely did. What's the word? Do a lot of back strengthening.
Yeah,
parts.
so I'm gonna definitely take a lot of those in too.
Yes.
Try to do those at home.
But yeah, now we about to head somewhere else. But
Yeah.
I love her. For sure. The knee dance. Let me see. Yo, what's your name? Okay, this is a dancer. We're in the middle of Michigan Avenue. She's trying to do things people would do for a shot. We in the middle of the street, y'all. We in the middle of the street. Help us. As a tourist from Chicago, it is an honor that they put this for us downtown. So shout out to all the bulls, the Chicago Bulls, the tourist bulls, all of the bulls, because they put this here for us, okay? We love you, little buoy. Little buoy. But no, we finna go to Costco. Dania don't know it yet, but we finna go to Costco. And I need to get my eyebrows done, so we kind of running some errands low key, but she needs to run errands too. So we about to hop back on the bus so that we can head home, so that I can get the car and we can go to Costco so I can get some chicken, because I'm getting my protein up. I'm getting my protein up. Huh? Costco.
Really gotta film that way.
Yeah, for sure. Costco. Costco, here we come. Y'all, we just made it to Costco. Dania decided to get ice cream from Whole Foods. Hopefully it make it back home, but I'm sure it will. But we about to try it. It's, what is this brand?
Van
Lee. I don't know. But this is their ooey gooey butter cake like Jenny's, and we love that.
I had fruit first.
Yeah, she had fruit first. I had honeydew. I just want my this, but I guess I can say my this end too. That's the cake, y'all. The ice cream.
Oh,
Can I get a spoon? I want to try it with you.
I gotta be relaxed a little bit. You're too antsy.
I don't be easy.
It's good.
It's good. Tastes like Jenny's. I think, well, we gotta get down to the bottom. Good. Let's go. VIP card. If you ain't got one, I'm so sorry for you. The best thing about Costco, y'all already know. What is this? Chocolate chip cookie oat bites. These are the answers. They lying. I need that vanilla. When I say my grocery list for Costco is very slim, but I'm trying this cold brew something and this. So Dania, like, you don't like coffee for real, because when I taste it, I say, I like my coffee sweetened or espresso martini. I got some chicken breasts so I can marinate and grill, some eggs, and then I seen this mushroom truffle pizza. Love mushroom, love truffle, love pizza. 3-pack, getting that. So that's all I got. But I'm waiting for this food to be done, because they have Carbone over there. They have Carbone vodka pasta sauce, and I love vodka pasta. And I haven't been to Carbone yet, and so I want to try it. So I'm waiting for her to pull it out or whatever the heck she's doing, because I need that. Dania needs that too. You ready for the vodka pasta sauce? You want to taste this?
There's something in liquid.
Taste this. It's very fresh. You gonna have a little bottle. Exactly. She don't drink coffee either, but she be ordering espresso martinis with Hennessy in it. $70 drink, because she got it like that, you know. But I guess this is gonna wake me up, so. Oh, that's a nice towel for $7. Should we get this or no? We need like 10 of these in the room. In the house. Hello, good morning.
Good morning. How you doing?
Doing good. How are you?
I'm good.
This is a hot commodity. They're ready for it.
I know.
Thank you. We got our vodka pasta sauce, our Carbone vodka pasta sauce. It's bread in here. There's no spoon, so we gotta eat it like a shot. It smells like exactly what I need it to smell like. Okay. All right. Thank you. I love vodka pasta so bad. That was fire. I know they still gonna have it here, so I'm not gonna get it today, but I am going to. I'm about to plan an entire dinner over that sauce.
Oh, this is really good.
Spectacular. We looking for a couch, y'all. Pilates, Costco, Whole Foods, home, relaxing. Just for me to remember, I forgot to go get my eyebrows done. So let's go back out to go get my eyebrows done so they can be nice and sharp and on point for whatever I got planned this weekend, which isn't much, but it's time for me to get them done, as you can see. So I'm headed back out. Let's go. Eyebrow. Woohoo! My eyebrows. Y'all see him? She did a great job. She did a really good job.